Sverve Airdrop just paid me $750 for free, and in the next 7 to 8 minutes I'm going to be walking you through on how you as well can claim your reward for free right on this airdrop. So if you are in for this update, make sure you stick around from beginning to the end. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I have a video like this. Alright guys, let's get fully started. So right here, this is my reward right here. This is $750 that I got just by registering right on this particular airdrop, and you as well, you can claim the same reward, right? So before I show you fully on how you as well can get started, when you come right here, you are going to see this is a dual multi-chain platform, right? So this particular airdrop is running on multiple chain. We have the Ethereum chain and we have the Tron, that is the TRS chain. When I come right here to Ethereum, this is Ethereum. I just switch to Ethereum right here. You see I have 750 on my Ethereum, that is 2,500 on Ethereum. And when I come back to Tron, I also have another $750, that is another 2,500 Sverve, okay, making total of 5,000 Sverve I have right on my account, and that is a total of 1,500. okay, so how can you get started? When you want to register, you have to make use of the link right on this video description to actually download their app, and after downloading their app, then you will proceed to actually create an account for yourself. So I will drop the link right on this video description. So once you are done downloading the app, just come right here and you are going to be adding a wallet. You are going to come right here to where it says add wallet, that is create wallet. So once you click on this create wallet right here, you are going to be adding your invitation code. If you fail to add your invitation code, you will not be able to register an account for yourself, right? And they also have a lot of offers, a lot of bonuses, referral bonuses for anyone that actually refer people to register using their registration code, which I'm going to be dropping mine right here. So if you want to use my registration code, this is what you are going to do. This is how you can copy your registration code. If you come right here to where it says share with friends, this is my registration code right here. So I copy my registration code right here, then you will input this same registration code right on your registration page. So once you are done inputting this, the next thing you are going to do, you will come right here and click on create wallet. So once you click on create wallet right here, you see it's going to say success, meaning you are on the next page. And right on this next page, you have to input your password right here. Input your password. Make sure your password are in numbers, not mixture of numbers and letters. If you actually mess it up, you might be having difficulties in creating an account for yourself. So once you input your password, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on continue. And once you click on continue, then it's going to ask you to save your recovery phrase. Make sure you save your recovery phrase and don't share it with anyone. So once you are done with that, then it's going to bring you right to this page, and you are going to be given this reward as well. That is $750 in two places, $750 in Ethereum and also $750 in Tron. That is what you are going to be getting just for registering an account for yourself right on this platform. So what are the other things you need to understand about this platform? So when you come right here to where it says task, this is task right here. So right on this task, you are going to be seeing you can follow all their social media platform, and you are going to be getting reward by completing each of these tasks. If you follow them on their Telegram handle, you are going to be getting 200 worth of Sverve coin, right? And if you scroll down, if you follow them on X, you are going to be getting another 200 worth of Sverve token. And if you follow them on YouTube, you also get another 200 for yourself. So and if you want to follow them on all their social media platform, and when you come right here, you are going to be seeing they also have other ways by which you can actually engage this platform. They have staking. So for those of you that want to stake on this platform, you can as well stake your fund right here, and you are going to be getting some reward for yourself on daily basis. But remember, this is never a financial advice. This video is only for educational purpose. If you think you want to stake, feel free to stake, and you are going to be getting some reward for yourself. So that is for that. And also, if you want to reach out to them for one reason or the other, come right here to where it says support. Right on this support, once you click on it, you are going to be seeing all their contact information, and from there you can actually reach out to them. Okay, so right now I will show you how you can benefit so much from this airdrop even without you spending a dime. So by coming right here to where it says me, when it comes to this area that says me, this is me right here. Once you click on this, you are going to be seeing some reward that is available for you when you actually refer people to this platform. We all know most airdrop is by referral, and when you are able to refer, then you stand a chance of even getting much more reward for yourself. Now you see, I'll be able to actually earn for myself $1,500 right here just by registering, even I'm yet to refer anyone yet. So this fund right here, you can't actually convert it or withdraw it right now, but this particular airdrop is going to be listed on tier 1 exchange very soon, maybe the next 3 or 6 months to come. So anytime this airdrop is listed, then you can now convert your funds to either Tron or to your Ethereum, and that is why we have this area that shows transfer. This is transfer right here. So right on this transfer, you can decide to convert your Sverve token to your USDT to your Tron, and from there you can decide to send it to your crypto wallet address. That is when they are fully listed. So before I end this video, let me quickly show you the reward that is available for those that refer people to this platform, and if people are able to register with your referral links, and if people are able to register with your referral link, let me quickly show you the bonuses that is available for those that are able to bring people right on this airdrop. So right here is the first benefit that you get immediately you register and download the app. Once you register with the link right on this video description and you use my code, that is my referral code, you are going to be getting $1,500 into your KWTCN wallet just by downloading the app and registering an account for yourself. So the next thing right here, that is the referral reward, right? So the referral reward, we have up to 3 generations. You get as high as 8% reward on your direct referral, meaning if someone register right now using your referral code, you are going to be getting as high as 400 Sverve token for yourself worth $120. The second one, that is the second level registration, you get as high as 7% reward worth 350 Sverve coin, that is $105. And the next one, which is 5%, and you are going to be getting as high as 250 Sverve worth of $75 for yourself. So these are the reward you get for inviting people to register with your referral link right here. And when you're able to accumulate a lot of Sverve coin, then you can actually swap them and withdraw them into your crypto wallet once these guys are listed on tier 1 exchange. Okay, so this is free of charge. You don't have to pay to get any of this reward, and I don't see any reason why any of you shouldn't give a try to this airdrop. And before you know it, 3 months is here, 6 months is here, and we can all be smiling and withdraw this money into our wallet address. Use the link right on this video description. And if you think you have 1 or 2 more questions for me, drop your comment in the comment section about this airdrop and I'll be glad to respond to you. So guys, can you see how easy it is for you to get started right on Sverve Airdrop? Make sure you register by using the link right on this video description. If you have 1 or 2 questions, ask me in the comment section or join all our social media platforms. I'll be there to respond to you. You can see this video right here or see this one right here to learn more ways to make money right in the crypto space. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.